Today we're making pizza! First, you have to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. And wow, that is really hot. Okay, so first we gotta pound the dough, but we still gotta spread the flour, so we're gonna do that now. Okay, so now we can pound the dough. Here we go. I'm excited. It doesn't matter if it's perfectly round, we're just worried about what it tastes like. Now we're gonna add the pizza sauce. Ooh la la. Now it's time to add the cheese. And now it's time for my special ingredient, pineapple. And note to self, if you haven't tried pineapple on a pizza, you should try it. It's really good. This is why I'm making a pineapple pizza at home. I'm making another pizza for my mommy because that one is just a mini pizza for me. It's time for the oven! You guessed it. Let's go! Cook, 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 always help to cook. Cooking is really fun. It helps you waste your time if there's something you're waiting for. That looks really yummy. I'm excited to eat it, especially a taste test. That one's my mom's and this one is mine. I'm gonna enjoy the pizza. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys!